I mean non-partisan and non-political. Like I said before, Dan Mardayaw and Ate Dina Guillermo, Escal Penumbra, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Gina Sejo, and Jeffrey Asejo, we have to be non-political. Look at Larry Chuanico. Oh, Larry Chuanico is just like Apollo Sanchez. And Franco Morales says to me, makulit yan si Larry Chuanico. He's just like Louis Texon. Oh. Or he's just like me. Oh. But Larry Chuanico, he doesn't talk about politics. I was told by Carl Bilus, he doesn't talk about politics. Wala pong kinalaman si Larry Chuanico sa mga politics. Yung ano yun, like I said, what's Bongbong Marcos or Sara Duterte. He's not related to politics. Unlike us, I apologize anyway. I'm the one who vote Bongbong Marcos. I talked to Franco Morales. I talked to my everyone friends there in in CDIFI. Oh, even Yvette Turado, Crystal Dulce, and Teacher May. I didn't listen to all of you. Oh, I know this is my biggest mistake. I am here to say to all of you, oh, nobody believes about politics. Just like I said, like me, when I heard about Rodelio Daguman, Kuya Rodelio, he doesn't talk about politics. Oh, he doesn't. Absolutely, he doesn't talk politics. You know, this is hard to say to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. Let us be non-political. Oh, Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, you have to be non-political. Even you, Dan Mardayaw. You see, I explained to Franco Morales bakit mo inaway si Rodelio Daguman, si Kuya Rodelio. O, si Kuya Rodelio Daguman, wala naman pong kinalaman sa politika. O, like what he said before, he's not related about Bongbong Marcos or Sara Duterte. He is neutral. Unlike us, as we are Filipinos, if I listen to Kuya Bear or Franco Morales, I just want to urge the Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, Sangkay Janjan and Romeo TV Vlog, listen to Franco Morales and Kuya Bear. Don't even talk about politics. You know that. As me, I'm a pro Duterte. I'm not talking about politics. Even Baham, even others. I'm just gonna say to you, Danmar Dayaw, makinig ka kay Franco Morales. If I were you, don't talk about politics. Alright? Because if you talk about politics, if you ruin Rodelio Daguman, what will be happen to you? I say again, Danmar, let us to be non-political. Alright? This is hard to say, to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. You have to be non-political. Even you, Escal Penumbra, you're criticizing me that I'm a Marcos loyalist. How come I am a Marcos loyalist, Escal Penumbra? That I left the Marcos loyalist. I became an anti-Marcos. Escal Penumbra, think what you're judging at toward at me. I know I apologize your wife, Teacher Kel, because I know she voted Lenny Robredo. Same as Franco Morales. Like me, I am endorsed Bongbong Marcos. This is my fault anyway. I apologize to Teacher Vincent, Teacher Gio, Malana. I apologize Rochelle Borotnella, the friend of Teacher Gio Malana, shout out. I know what is my consequence was, Teacher Kel. If I were you, if you're working there in the United States, if you have children, oh, Franco Morales says to you, oh, cute-cute ng bata mo, Teacher Kel, oh, like I said, yung anak mo pa pala, oh, you know, Teacher Kel, I do not want to fight with you because I know your husband has a real problem. He has a delusional. You know, Escal Penumbra, if you're watching this in my YouTube video, I just want to apologize to whole I mistake that I made at. Do not criticize me, Eskel. You're the husband of Teacher Kel, and I said, oh, I do not bash anyone. Oh, listen to Franco Morales. Like Patrick Quezon, no? Patrick Quezon says to me, Franco Morales says to me, makulit pala si Patrick Quezon, oh, just like Larry Chuanico compared to Louis Texon. At least Patrick Quezon had learned his attitude. Oh, you know, guys, when we are being our attitude, when we talk about politics, some of Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos, listen to Franco Morales. Do not talk about politics. I say again, don't talk about politics. Oh, that is my reminder. If I say again politics, if you say about nonsense, I know what my pain was, anger was. Teacher Kel, if I say to you, listen to Franco Morales that I said I apologize to you. I know you're a good talented. I know I saw you in a TikTok video. You're good of dancer. I do not want to fight with you. Teacher Kel, if you're watching this, you need to be kind to your husband. And I think your husband should be kind at me. At least thanks to Annabel Penurubia, oh, she said to me, no worries, I will tell Escal Penumbra, he will be good at you. Oh, he will be good. Unlike me, I was become bad influence, Escal Penumbra. And I said, oh, when I became a bad influence, I became bad influence. And I don't want to start cyberbullying and social media. It's not really good.